Hi, this is Mark with SoundVision. Over the last couple of days, we've been doing a series of videos on networking. Talked about what components are in a network and how to reset your home network. Given the climate of today and working, schooling, and the entertainment that we're streaming from home being greater than ever, these are really, really important. I also today wanted to talk about the difference in wired and wireless network. Now, we talked about the access point, and the access point in your home is what delivers the Wi-Fi throughout to all your wireless devices, phones, tablets, laptops, whatever. But you may also have some hardwired connections in your home. And if you have the ability to plug in, this is always the more consistent and the fastest speed that you'll have. Now, depending on what you're purchasing from your internet service provider, it might be 100 or 300 or 1,000, what would be a gigabit speed. You want to know what you're actually getting inside your home. Now, there's a number of different apps to do that. I happen to be using the app called Speed Test, and you can get this in the App Store or on the Android platform as well. And when I click in, I literally can just click the go button, and it will give me a speed test. Now, of course, this is a Wi-Fi speed test based on where I am. Now, one thing that's really important when you're using these apps are to turn off your cellular data, because if you don't, you're going to be reading the cellular data speed and not the Wi-Fi speed. I hope that helps, and in the meantime, if we can be of any further assistance, please call us at 704-696-2792 or look at any of our social platforms in the body below. Thank you very much. Stay safe and healthy. Have a great day.